What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man, and it's super windy today, man. It's super windy today. Sun been on in and out, but today I gotta get my redemption, man. RnB, y'all saw the last video. I made a little test hit. Didn't realize the road was still damp, but like I said, I was out there, so I made one little light one. So today we going back out there again. I got to get a better clip, man. I want a clip for myself and for y'all too. So I'm going back out there. But, cause I know the road dry for sure now. But first, we need some octane. Not some octane. We need some gas, man. I done about ran that thing out of gas. That joke was showing up drank gas. Y'all know it drunk gas before, but now it really drinks gas. And I had crunk Dolo yesterday. Dolo ran out of gas, man. I was like, ooh, this thing low, but I hadn't crunked it up in about 3-4 days, so I crunked it up. I always just crank them up, let them run. And I was like, man, that joker was ran slap out of gas. Just sitting right there. Then ain't run good 5 minutes. So I need to get some gas for it too. So I'm gonna get some 93. Y'all see that empty right there. Put some 93 for Dolo and some 93 for RnB. And all of that, man. Then, man, we're gonna make a little shake. I hope the wind don't affect, cause that wind is blowing hard, man. And it pretty cool today, cause like I said, the sun is in and out, man. That's why I'm doing this in the garage, cause it'll be a lot of wind noise. Y'all wouldn't even be able to hear what I'm saying. So, me and wifey about to go get some gas and all of that. And y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Checking in, man. Checking in. Made it to the gas station. I'm just checking in with y'all, cause that wind something serious out there, man. Like it don't make no sense, man. That wind is crazy. Like I said, we've been going in and out of sunshine and this and that. It just be overcast and stuff. So I'm gonna try to the plan is to make this shakedown. Make sure wifey catch it right.
I will, y'all. I'll try.
Make sure she catch it right. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go make another one, cause like I said, the road dry today. It's just windy. But we're gonna see what RnB move like. Like I said, I still ain't got a chance to really just drive her around, just let everything settle and all that. I ain't got a chance to just really driving and cruising around and stuff. But maybe next week, when the weather break, we get a break in the weather next week, man, I might take it to the track or something too. On the wheels, obviously, like I said, the wheels gonna tell me everything. When I see what she move like on the wheels, I'm gonna know what she move like on the slicks and stuff too. So, cause that's a lot of weight. There's a lot of weight to be toting around. So, I'm about to, and I gotta get my boy Dolo some gas, man. I told y'all yesterday ran slap out of gas, man. So, I'm finna fill these two things up, man. Probably 93 too. Good gracious, boy. I'm finna get 10 gallons of gas. How much y'all think I'm gonna spend, man? How much you think?
10 gallons?
10 gallons of gas.
10 gallons probably be about 70.
$70, man. She probably right too. Like, I hope it ain't 70. That's ridiculous, man, for 10 gallons of gas. It ain't gonna be that much. I don't know what wife time. Nah, she said 70. We gonna see. I'm finna get out and pump the gas. We gonna see if she right. I think 10 gallons of gas. Let me see. Let me do my. Nah, 10. I think it's gonna be about $50. About $50. $50.
Wait, you paying
93?
93, yeah.
She said 70. neither one of us ain't looked at the price of where we at. I ain't looked at it, but I say about 50. I'ma say about $50. 52 dollars tops. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't know where you get saying it from. Her math is kind of up out of here. I don't know where you get some $70 from. I don't know what you. She had like we ain't talking about this truck right here now. I'm talking about. I'm talking about. All right, well we gonna see y'all.
Or 65.
65. All right, she's at 65.
65.
I say 52.
65.
So I'm finna get the feeling where 10 gallons. So let's see what two. I know y'all hear the wind, but look, there it is, 53.41, 10 gallons. 53.41. I told you.
Well, hey.
Now, I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. When I first got out and I looked at the price, I said, oh hell. I said, she probably gonna be right. This gas was $5.33. $5.33. But when I get gas for the old school 93, I like to get it at certain station cause some 93 is better. You get what you pay for with gas.
Yeah. And
I like to get Golden Pantry gas or Chevron too, 93 and stuff. Sonoco, however you say it, they sell good gas, but them gas stations usually higher. But the 93, I can even smell the way the engine burn, the way the 93 burn. I can tell. So I always put certain gas, and when I'm driving the old school, I don't just put any 93 in it. But 533. 53.41, so I was close, but I thought it was gonna be more on her range for real. When I saw that price, I was like, man, it's up there. That is up there. But I'm gonna get the gas back to the house, put it in the cars, and then turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, checking in. So doing some running around before we get back, so I can make the shakedown. Me and wifey called. I told y'all in the other video, my wifey and finally got monetized.
Yes, I did, y'all.
So, man, I told y'all, man, congratulate her again. So, we're going to have a celebration. So, we out here picking up food and stuff.
Yes.
Her favorite hot wings.
Yes, y'all. I love wings, y'all. I really do.
Yeah, she tell some wing down, boy. Boy, hey, she need to do a mook, man. She eating a wing. Wait, she be eating y'all like this.
No, I'm gonna need to do one though, but not like
y'all seen Cookie Monster when he be eating cookie, that has to be eating wing, boy. She be still be falling everywhere. And then she'll eat fries. She love French fry. I love French fry too. She'll eat fries the same way, boy. They just be So they need to order some wings and do a mukbang. She eat the chicken and she'll eat the fry. I promise y'all get a laugh.
I have to do it.
I promise y'all will get a laugh, man. But I got this, man. I love Subway cookie, man. So we up here in Loganville, Georgia, and man, I went in there to Subway to get some cookies, cause they Subway always here. And man, black guy, man, younger guy, I ain't get his name, man, but I got to salute him, cause he gave him to me free. He gave him to me free, man. He on the house. I don't know if he watched videos or not. He ain't say nothing, but or if he just did a good deed, man. But if he do see the video, if it make it to him some kind of way, man, I appreciate you for real, brother. Like, that made my day. Cause, like I tell my wife, I don't get a lot of random stuff happen to me. Like, random acts of kindness. I do a lot, but I rarely get it happen to me. So that kind of took me by surprise. I'm like, damn, I got to do something for somebody now. Really do. So, yeah, man, I just want to put that on the video. I want to shout him out in case he see this video or whatever, man. I appreciate you. That made my day from the heart and all of that. But we finna get back. And hopefully, it don't be no rain and nothing come through. And I'm finna shake. I'm finna, like my boy Blow say, I'm finna shake that bit. Damn. That my boy Blow say, man. Rest in peace to Blow, man. I miss that, man, for real. But yeah, we're gonna shake it down. Get my camera purchased. We're gonna do that soon as we get home. Before we start grubbing. So I'm gonna do that first. And then we're gonna see what's to it, man. We're gonna see what RnB Hen like. So y'all. Y'all, just got back, man. I ain't even feeling pouring the gas and that stuff. I just got straight to it. Well, we just got back from RnB, man. That wind was blowing. Whoo, see it coming to hill. Let me turn y'all on. Oh, I just jumped straight in the car, man. I ain't even let y'all know we were back at the house and none of that car. I was like, man, well, overcast. It was looking like it was gonna rain. That's why it's a little shady and stuff. Looking like it's gonna rain, man. Then the sun popped out. This weather crazy, man. This weather is crazy today, and it's super cold. And man, RnB fake decent now. She she definitely faster than what she was. There's ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about that. And I just looked at the footage. I said she looked pretty nice on camera, even though she on 24, man. So now it really does spark my curiosity as to make sure my cover don't block. As to what she'll do on these slicks, man. I'm gonna have to put them slicks on. I got to put them slicks radials on, man. I got to. So she looked pretty good, cause when we got back, man, it was so cold, we went ahead and got it done, cause like I said, man, wife, we can celebrate for her and stuff. Since wife got monetized. So soon as we got here, I said, let go. We hopped out. I took the cover off. That way ain't give y'all no GoPro or nothing. Took the cover off. She got the footage. We came back. So I pulled the gas in first, of course. But yeah, man. Said all in all, like I said, it's a good little day. RnB, she redeemed herself. Cause you know the other day she was spinning and all that. She was spinning. But we got a little traction today. We were fighting wind. And I mean, man, as good as she felt and the way she was moving against the wind, the way the wind blowing today, yeah, man, I done put together another mean combo, man. I done did it again. I expect me another night combo. Like I said, once again, that's straight out my head. I keep telling people I do build sheets. I do build sheet. What is a build sheet? I do not build engines. Tell people I do not build engines. When you buy a build sheet, you're buying a combination basically from me. You're buying the information. I can go get it from my engine builder. Yeah, you can. You can. You're going to pay them for their information. Don't think when you get spec the price, when you get told the price for an engine build, don't think you're just paying for the parts and paying them to put it together. No, you're paying for their information too, for them to spec your combination. You're paying for what I'm offering anyway. You're already paying that. And people have gotten bill sheet from me. And if you have gotten a bill sheet from me, I know people work at different paces. And I work on people's budget too, based on what they tell me. You have gotten a bill sheet, man. Once you get oil pressure, send me a video. Send me a video to my email. I want to show how you getting down and stuff. Like I said, man, so I do offer bill sheets. If you want a bill sheet, you have to email me, JMalcom2004@gmail.com. I said that's my second combo. I just been waiting, man. I do stuff for a reason. Second combo, man. That's a forced induction, super roots blown combo. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm already spec the big block for meat, but I'm gonna spec me a turbo combo from scratch. I'm gonna spec a turbo combo. And then I'm just gonna do it every time to show people how I'm hitting. Cause people gonna be surprised whenever I reveal the horsepower and torque numbers for Dolo and the Cutlass. To see the horsepower gain from the old combo to now, the difference in power. Cause y'all know we already dyno RnB. We dyno RnB. We got numbers on RnB with the old combo. So we got ETs on RnB with the old combo, and the ET already done showed me the difference in power. It been showed that. So all in all, man, it's a good day. I got to give y'all a little action today. It's super windy. It's supposed to calm down tomorrow. Still gonna be a little cool, but it's gonna be warmer than what it is. So I don't know. We definitely gonna get into something, man. I'm probably pull out brown coat of one of them other tomorrow. I don't know. See how I'm feeling. But yeah, man, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.